nyo.
Thank you, ang mabait ninyo, thank you.
Ulit, mali eh. Again. Mali eh. Ulit.
3, 2, 1. Thank you, ang mabait ninyo, thank you.
Mali pa yung script. Thank
Ang mabait
you.
pala.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
May mga batang excited na po mag-open ng gifts nila. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all po.
Mommy! Open mo natin. Huwag mo natin. Ay po, i-open po namin yung gifts po namin. I-open ko po kay Tita Joby. Advent calendar. Advent calendar. Kami para kay Andre. Thank you, Mommy! Thank you! Oh my God, Philippines! Oh! Ito po sa akin. Thank you, Tita Joby. Love you. God bless. Thank you sa gift. Okay, what will I get? Oh my God! Ito po yung capybara. Anak po yung capybara. Wow! Hi po, i-open ko na po. Ay, tama? Ay, what is this? Oh, it's a warning sign. Donald! Oh! I just Diamond Art! Wow! Now I'm going to open my second. Look at this, a swimmer capybara! Wait, oh, no, it's a swimmer capybara! Oh, meron pa! Oh, wait, swimming ako! Time to open my... Tita! Horizon, Merry Christmas from Gio and Gian! Oh my gosh, ang open capybara! Mommy, look, Lego! Thank you, Kuya Gio. Love you. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This, so far, this is the best gift. Okay, this is the best gift ever. Okay, this is good. A water bottle. And this is from Ate Edna. Thank you, Ate Edna. Thank you, Eli. Thank you, Ate Edna. From meron akong paglagay dun sa paa. Yung sa ano? Yung sa mabigat. Ano yan? Thank you, Mami! Mami ng Alice. The last one. The last gift. Wow! Horizon from I got a bag. Okay, Pamandi, Pambate. Ito Makmak and Isaiah. Let's see if it has naman. Dinosaur! Thank you, Tita Hani at Tita Makmak. Love you. God bless. Merry Christmas. From Tita Joy Joby. Please stop your Oraform. This is a mini notebook. This is the best gift ever. From Ate Edna. This is the best. Wow, she got me a shirt. Thank you po kay Ate Edna. Thank you, Tay! Thank you, Edna. That's one from Tita Carmen. Oh, ano yan sa'yo? Yan din sa'yo? Wow! I got a fan! Yay! From Miss United pa to. Hi, Tita Honey. The best one is pa to. siya. Sakto na ako. Kasi malabog. Kali-kalita. Cute. Oh. Thank you. Now time for... Why so pretty? Oh! Mami, meron akong isa pang bubuon, pero iba na to. Iba yung style. Wow. Ba't ganyan ka mag-open, Dre? Mami, kanina si Andre mag-open. Para kayo. Hindi ganun, Dre. Mali ka. Kaya ang hirap. Hindi ka nagtanong. Mali ka. Ba't ganito ba yung naganin mo? Hindi ka marunong. Okay. Ganito doon. Gagantay mo. Tingnan mo. Ganito yun. Saan? Oh. How to put this? Time to build this thing. Oh, big
Kaya galing.
Mami, out. Labubo.
Ay, sabihin kay Mami, oh.
Thank you, Mami, out. Bubuhay ka na to?
Rock. Three.
Thank you, Mami, out. Oh. I like this. Bubuhay ka na to? Bubuhay ka na din to.
Okay na po, itabi na. Okay na? Na-open niyo lahat yung gifts niyo? Are you done?
Yeah.
Stop natin yung video. What you will say?
Thank you.